Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can view recently added friends in Snapchat. Please friends, be sure to put your likes under this video, write your comments and also friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get you and me started. And now I want to show you from the very beginning how you can do this. Okay friends, first of all, open up the Snapchat app. And then, at the bottom, go to the chat section. And then, folks, on the top right-hand side, click on this three dots sign. So you'll need to click on the three dots on the top right. And then select the option that I've added. So friends, this will take you to the list of friends that you've added as friends. And the interesting thing about this list is that all the friends are arranged in this order. At the top are the people that you've added recently. And the lower down you go, the more long-time friends you'll have. That's how, friends, you can quickly and easily view your recently added friends on the Snapchat app. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes. Also subscribe to this channel. Write your comments. See you soon.